Hey guys, Joe Greene from the Louisville Hip Knee Institute. Let's talk about surgical approaches to the knee, meaning how do we get into the deep areas of the knee to actually do the procedure once we're through the skin. Here in this office, we make a minimally invasive incision. That really just means that we're going to make the incision as small as we can to safely do the work within the replacement. We also do closure here, meaning how we actually sew the skin and the soft tissue together to where it's like a plastic surgery closure, meaning the stitches are all underneath the skin, and then we put glue on top of that actual incision. We try to do that in every patient. Sometimes, if you've had previous scars, that's not safe to do because the stitches within the skin won't hold strong enough, so sometimes we do have to use stitches, or in rare cases, sometimes even staples. The surgical approach means once we get through the skin, how do we safely get down to the knee? Let's bring in another model for that description. So this is a partial knee replacement model. And so what we do is we make our small incision. Typically it's about this long for a full knee replacement, and that will be closed like a plastic surgery closure. What we do is then we get into the knee. You can either go around this kneecap through the tendon, that's called a parapatellar incision or approach. You can sometimes go up into the muscle, that's called a midvastus approach, or you can go underneath the muscle, preserving the muscular attachments, that's called a subvastus approach. When I'm doing a knee replacement, I typically do the subvastus approach. What that means is we go in here and we sweep the muscle to the side. So we're not cutting any muscle, we're not cutting into the tendon, and we're preserving all the muscular attachments that the patient has. I think that the studies show that this is a safer way of doing the knee replacement with a quicker recovery than the other approaches. We combine that with doing a kinematic approach to the knee. A kinematic approach to the knee is where instead of the old traditional technique of making the leg completely straight and then cutting, releasing, tightening the ligaments to match the actual bone cuts, what we're trying to do is preserve the patient's native anatomy. We do that by measuring what we take out when we remove little pieces of the worn out arthritis, and then we restore that to where the metal is actually recreating what the natural anatomy of the patient was. So that's what kinematic alignment is. So really, I think personally the best way of doing a knee replacement is to restore the patient's anatomy, that's kinematic alignment, and then to try to do a muscle preserving technique, which is a subvastus approach to the deep areas of the knee. That combined together, I think, gives the patient the best chance at having a joint that feels way more natural with a quicker and speedier recovery. If you have any questions about these techniques, both the approach to the knee or a kinematic alignment method or technique, please call the Louisville Hip Knee Institute to schedule a consultation at any time. Thanks a lot.